Christmas is over, and New Year is just around the corner. Today, we chose 15 popular New Year's Eve dishes with a focus on health and anti-aging benefits. Spinach and mushroom stuffed chicken breast. Spinach and mushrooms provide antioxidants and B vitamins. Take 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup spinach, half cup sautéed mushrooms, and quarter cup mozzarella. Stuff chicken with spinach, mushrooms, and cheese. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Salmon and sweet potato with spinach. Salmon provides omega-3s, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, and spinach is loaded with iron and vitamins. You need 1 salmon fillet, 1 cubed medium sweet potato, 2 cups fresh spinach, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Roast sweet potatoes at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Pan-sear the salmon with olive oil, seasoning with salt and pepper. Toss spinach with lemon juice and olive oil. Layer with salmon and sweet potatoes. Grilled shrimp skewers with garlic and lemon. Shrimp is low-calorie, high in protein, and rich in selenium for skin repair. Take 1 pound shrimp, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, lemon juice, and zest. Marinate shrimp in oil, garlic, and lemon. Grill until pink and serve with lemon wedges. Saffron and almond rice. Saffron improves mood and cognitive function. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. You need 1 cup basmati rice, quarter teaspoon saffron threads, quarter cup slivered almonds. Soak saffron in warm water. Cook rice. Mix saffron water and almonds into rice. Citrus-Glazed Salmon. Citrus is rich in vitamin C, while salmon supports heart and brain health. Take 2 salmon fillets, 1 juiced and zested orange, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Mix orange juice, zest, honey, and mustard. Rush over salmon fillets and bake at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Brussels sprout and quinoa stir-fry. Quinoa is high in protein, and Brussels sprouts in antioxidants. Prepare 2 cups of cooked quinoa, 1 pound halved Brussels sprouts, 1 minced garlic clove, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Sauté garlic and Brussels sprouts in sesame oil. Add quinoa and soy sauce, stirring until heated through. Avocado and Brussels sprout salad with pomegranate dressing. Combines healthy fats from avocado, fiber from Brussels sprouts, and antioxidants from pomegranate. You need 2 cups shredded Brussels sprouts, 1 sliced avocado, quarter cup pomegranate seeds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon pomegranate juice, salt and pepper. Toss Brussels sprouts and avocado slices in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and pomegranate juice. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds on top. Roasted beet and citrus salad. Beets support blood flow and removal of toxic substances from our organism, while citrus is rich in vitamin C. Prepare 3 roasted and sliced medium beets, 1 segmented orange, and 1 grapefruit, mixed greens, goat cheese, and walnuts, balsamic dressing. Arrange beets, citrus, and greens on a plate. Sprinkle goat cheese and walnuts. Drizzle with balsamic dressing. Pomegranate and arugula salad. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols for skin glow, and arugula improves digestion. Take 2 cups arugula, half cup pomegranate seeds, quarter cup feta cheese, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. Toss arugula with pomegranate and feta. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Grilled asparagus with lemon zest. Asparagus helps remove toxins from the liver and promotes slowing down inflammation. You need 1 pound asparagus, 1 tablespoon olive oil, lemon zest, and black pepper. Toss asparagus with oil and seasonings. Grill for 5 minutes or until tender. Lentil soup with turmeric. Lentils provide protein and fiber. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and boosts skin health. Take 1 cup lentils, 1 onion, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 4 cups vegetable broth. Sauté onion and garlic. Add spices. Stir in lentils and broth. Simmer until tender. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Yogurt supports gut health, and berries are anti-aging superfoods. You need 1 cup Greek yogurt, half cup mixed berries, and quarter cup granola. Layer yogurt, berries, and granola in a glass. Dark chocolate and avocado mousse. A decadent yet healthy dessert with anti-aging benefits from dark chocolate and avocado's healthy fats. Take 1 ripe avocado, ½ cup melted dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Chill in the fridge and serve garnished with berries. Chocolate-dipped berries. Combines dark chocolate's antioxidants with the vitamins in fresh berries. Prepare ½ cup melted dark chocolate and 1 cup mixed berries. Dip berries halfway into melted chocolate. Place on parchment paper to set. Dark chocolate and nut bark. Dark chocolate is also high in anti-cancer, antioxidant, and anti-aging flavonoids. Nuts are rich in healthy fats. Take 200-gram dark chocolate and ½ cup chopped mixed nuts. Melt chocolate, spread on parchment paper. Sprinkle nuts, let cool, and break into pieces. These dishes balance indulgence and wellness, making them perfect for a festive yet health-conscious celebration. We are ready to answer any questions you may have or give additional advices in the comments. And could you please subscribe and press the bell icon? This will be a great help to the development of this channel. Happy New Year!